Hi, this is a short video to explain how your tracking booklets work. Well, your tracking booklet is simply a way to keep track of your points. And so you'll know how many points you have at any moment in time. You will have access to view your tracking booklet. You will not be able to alter it. As you finish things and complete things in Canvas, I will go to the tracking booklet and add those points in. So if you look at along the bottom, you can see it's organized by 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. This booklet will last you your entire time at Yorkchester. You're not expected to do all the points in 1 year. That's just not reasonable. That's broken up from 6th grade to 8th grade. So this should take you the entire time you're at Yorkchester. If you take a look, I'm going to click on 7-1, which is 7th grade, first 9 weeks, and you'll see that I've got 6 points here that I've completed. I'm going to go ahead and finish adding in the first 10 points like this, and you'll see R1 stands for rank 1, R2 is rank 2, R3 is rank 3. You don't have to complete a certain rank by a certain time, but you do want to keep in mind that according to our chart, you need a certain number of points to get to certain grade levels. So for example, you need 10 points is an A for the first quarter, first 9 weeks, okay? So now I've got my 10 points. You look up here in the green, that tells me my total points. Then it tells me how many points I've earned just for this quarter, this first quarter. Well, I'm going to act like we're fast forwarding in time. Now I'm in second quarter, and you'll see still got my 10 points. Let's go ahead and add in a few more. Let's say second quarter, I got 16 points. Okay, well, second quarter, it takes 20 points to get an A. So I didn't quite get an A. I'll go to the chart to see what my grade is. But right here, green, that tells me my total points. I have 16 total now, and I've done 6 this quarter. Now remember I did, click on last quarter, I did 10 last quarter. This quarter, I did 6. So you can see exactly how many you've done, how you're progressing. It's easy to compare and contrast to what we did in each quarter of the year, okay? Again, you will be shared your tracking booklet so that you can follow along. You can share with your parents. They can take a look. You will always know exactly where you are. Now, remember, everybody starts with 0 points. So you have to work from 0 up. So let's say, again, 10 points is an A for my beginners. Well, everybody starts with a 0, and then you have to earn point 1. Then you have to earn point 2. Then you have to earn point 3. You have to earn all the way up to that A. So there's no averaging like we talked about. There's no averaging in the middle. It's not like you start with a 90, you start with 100. Everybody starts with 0, and you work your way up, kind of like a video game. Okay. Well, this chart should help you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will get back to you.